And I am now going to show you the blind stitch on how I do my binding by hand on the back side. I personally just feel it gives it more of a professional look. Okay, here we are again at our mitered corner. Just to review, I'm going to push all the way up here, pull this back until it lines up, and put my clip in so that when I get to that corner I'm ready for it. Okay. Now to do a blind stitch, I've already started this. You're going to come up, and if you'll remember when we did our binding we had it folded in half. Okay, they call that a French binding. Okay, I always come down and bring my binding back to the sewing of where I had sewed it on. And I'll bring this up. I will go down into the fabric behind my stitch, almost right where I came out at. Right under it I will come up, and then this will be where I just catch the back side of that binding, just the very tip of it, but kind of on the back side. And then as you go, you pull, and that will pull the binding under. So I'll do that again. I come down where I came out at, come out, and that's where it helps to have nails, is I can pull this binding away from me and catch the back side of that fold. And then as you pull, you'll see that kind of, as you can see along here, it has pulled my stitching under, and therefore being blind. I mean, you can't see it. So it's called the blind stitch. And when you get up to your corner, you will do the same thing and just take 3 stitches in that corner. And you'll have a professional looking binding.